Hello guys, welcome to my channel Shallow Word of Happiness. Today we make a DIY bird hanging. So we all need birds, an empty tape roll, some beads, Fevikwik or you can use glue gun or Fevicryl. All you need is a rope, a bangle and few decorative materials. So let's start it. Firstly we stick our rope on the ring. You can use Fevikwik. We can do the same with the bangle. After stick bangle, we take some jute rope and stick in the ring. Then we stick another bangle horizontally. Then we take the rope to hanging it and stick around the bangle. Now we hang the bird. I use needle and thread to secure it. If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe for more videos. Fix both the birds with the thread. Please like, comment and share. After attaching the birds, we can use bell to decorate it. You can use any other decorative material. And our DIY bird hanging is ready. Thank you and bye bye.